Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to filter and unfilter all your non-monetized videos on your YouTube channel using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and videos that we have uploaded, some that have been monetized and some that have not. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks, top right corner. Click on this, wait for that to load. And once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content, and here we have the collection of all the videos that have been posted to the account. So we want to now go to Filter, click on Monetization, and now we want to view all the videos that have not been monetized. So we can click on Not Monetized. In fact, we have four options: monetized, non-monetized, limited, mid-roll ads not showing. We want to click on non-monetized, and here we have it. All the videos that are not being monetized are currently displayed on screen. Let's go back into the filter, change that to monetized, and here we have all the videos that are being monetized on screen with the green icon to confirm monetization. Not monetized on screen again. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.